What I wish I knew at school, Newton did more than laws, he split light. A triangular glass prism sitting in the beam, a white screen ready to catch color. Instant science magic. Newton let a sunbeam hit a tiny hole, then he aimed it through a triangular glass block. Boom, white light became a spread of colors on a screen. That spread is called a spectrum, colors blending, not separate. People argued whether he saw 5 or 7, we use 7. Remember Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. The trick is dispersion. Each color refracts at a slightly different angle in the prism. Violet bends most, red bends least. Rainbows work the same way. Raindrops refract and reflect sunlight, acting like tiny prisms. Sun behind you, rain ahead. Nature serves a bow. Science. Simple tools, huge reveal.
What provides bright light for a rainbow? What must be in the air to form a rainbow? What happens to light in water drops? Where is light reflected in rainbow formation? Where must the sun be for you to see a rainbow? Why are water drops needed for a rainbow? What weather condition helps form a rainbow? What kind of light is needed for a rainbow? What reflects light inside water drops? A rainbow needs sun and what else?